Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. This bike is beautiful, two-tone, green and white wall tires, V-twin 900cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled, shaft drive, no, that's belt drive. It also has some really nice locking Viking saddlebags. Come on by and make your V-twin cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous Vulcan 900. It's got the classic styling with the long flowing fenders, heel toe shifter, floorboards. It's a gorgeous bike. Only $74.99. This one's not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.